What is up, guys, and welcome. To be talking about how to make money online literally just using Google Maps. And I know you're probably usually using Google Maps and go to find the nearest Chick-fil. But today I'm going to be teaching you how to actually use to earn some extra money and to make that side hustle actually start to generate you some income, so you can stop using only fans. This method is actually pretty simple, and we are going to be doing something called drop services, so make sure you stay all the way until the end of this video, because I'm going to be showing you guys a special way where you can actually outsource most of the work and get paid most of the profit. So this is going to be the super exciting video. Make sure you don't skip around and you stay all the way until the end, because guys, if you can't watch a 10-minute video on the YouTube that literally walks you through step by step how to make money online, you are never gonna be make any money online. That's just the fact. And so if you are new to this channel, first of all, welcome to the strongest family on the YouTube. Do me two quick favor: if you like money, make sure you tap a like button, and make sure you also tap the subscribe button, turn on notification bells. Why? So that you can be our next big winner, like two awesome people right here who are each lucky winner of the $2,000 course on our last video of the being the first commenter on the next video, so you can be able to our next lucky winner. As well as you guys have been loving the riddle so much, so we decided to have the new one in this video, and the riddle for today is what goes through the cities and the field. So we decided to have the new one in this video, and the riddle for today is what goes through the cities to field but never moves, and whatever is the first person to get the answer correct down below on this video will be our next lucky winner of a brand new 2000 course. So today what we are going to be talking about is actually something called the Google Maps specs, and also something called Google My Business. Now there's two different things. When you actually go to a head of the search for the business in a specific city, Google will actually suggest a few local business that they recommended, and those businesses get by far more actual businesses and more traction, because they seen by more people. Is the same things as digital marketing, whoever is seen by the most eyes ultimately is the person who actually makes the most money. And so that we are going to do is we are going to teach you guys exactly how to sell this as the service through the local businesses, so that you can earn money literally by directing their businesses into what's called the Google Maps spec. So what they get more eyes on the customers, and those more sales and profits. The best part of the of later is this video. I'm actually going to be teaching you how to outsource all the work, so that you don't have to do any of the work yourself, and you can actually just attribute the difference between what is costs you outsource and what is can actually change these local businesses to do so. It for the basically you can act the middleman, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do everything step by step from the beginning all the way until the end. So let's jump into my computer and let's get into the alright guys, welcome to into my screen. So we are going to do is we are going to actually search the type of the businesses and then near the particular city, right? So what we are going to do is we are going to the annually type in the pumpkin, but actually try to spell it right near sunny I. So let's write sunny Isis for this. So what we're going to see is that we are going to see a lot of the different stuff here, sponsored ads. We are also gonna do another couple of the sponsored ads right here, but then this is actually is called the Google Map Packs. You can see that it's actually showing three different businesses here. Right, one has 42 reviews, one has 0 reviews, and one has 1 review. Right, what we want to do is we don't actually click view all. When we click view all, now we can actually see that Google Maps view is one of the code. All these different businesses, they want here want we want to focus on is ones that actually have the very few reviews, or some of them, like you can see right here, has 0 reviews. Right, if we actually click this 1 review here, you can see that this business literally has 0 reviews. Right, it says with the first of the review. If you want to write a review, see, it has literally none. That's good for us, because it's very easy to get a reviews, and reviews actually help ranking on Google, right, and other things. And you want to look for the businesses that actually haven't claimed what's called Google My Businesses, right? So if we click this one, you can see that it actually says, do you own businesses? And if you own the businesses, or you approach somebody who owns the businesses, you can actually click that you own the businesses. Of course, I'm not the actual owner of the businesses, so I'm not going to do that. But once you connect to these people, you can actually walk them through how to actually claim their businesses into the Google, which again helps their ranking on the Google, right? So you can see, if we look at the one again, they actually have claimed their businesses. But if we look at this one right here, next to suggestion edit, it actually says owns it's these businesses, right? See, this one doesn't have it, and this one does. So we like to look for ones have the very few reviews and also haven't claimed their businesses. These guys look perfect, right? They have 1 review, very few reviews, and they haven't even claimed their businesses. So what we would to do is we would actually click this, and then we would connect these people right here. We have their phone number right here. We can give them the call and let them know that they haven't claimed their businesses. They don't have very many reviews. They are missing out a lot of the potential businesses, and because they aren't actually ranking the map pack. They are sitting right outside of it. Even through these guys should be ranking higher because they have more reviews, just because it actually has the words Sunny Islands. It's actually ranking higher because Google actually considered that to be more relevant, since it has the extra match of the city itself. Right, so we want to do is we can actually start with the easier one of these, can them, or or we can go onto their website right here. We can go contact us, we can actually just shoot them, and the email we can see right here. It says email. You can put your name, phone number, email. So you want to type something basically that says, they my name is the Rich Podric. I help businesses get higher ranking on the Google Maps listings, which leads to more customers and sales and profit. I noticed that your businesses isn't claimed on Google, and I got started just by helping you to do that completely for free, so you can automatically rank higher. Right. And if you are saying to yourself, but Podric, why would we help them for free? Well, you'd help them for free because if you do this for people, they much more likely to do things back for you, right? It's basically actual element of the negotiations. It's one of the negotiation tactic outlined in the Robert Zion's book called Influence, which is the amazing book that I recommend anybody who interested in the negotiations. Actually, read this. What's called reciprocity. It's actually been proved again and again and again. At the car dealerships, for example, if they give the code Coca-Cola, you're actually significantly more likely to slightly proven by to buy a car, right? They give you the 30-cent Coca-Cola, you're actually more likely to buy a car just because they actually did something for you, and you instinctively, as a human being, want to reciprocate that and do something back for them. And so what we are going to do is we are going to do for the free for them, because it's very easy. It takes 10 minutes, but for somebody who doesn't know about it, right, it would actually be a very hard, and so we can help them to claim their businesses for free. And then once we do that, we have the relationships, and we can actually upsell a monthly services fee to actually keep the ranking on the Google Map packs, that little spots that I showed you guys before. When you search for the particular businesses in the particular city, and then you can actually charge the monthly fee to keep them there, to get them reviews, and to handle incredibly basic digital marketing tasks, that the busy phone numbers that has no idea about the Google and the digital marketing or any of this stuff. So CEO has no idea how to do, and so unlimitedly what you are going is you are whoever gaining a skill set that somebody doesn't have time or doesn't want to figure out, and you're getting paid monthly to actually be able to do that. Now you can charge any number for the different amounts, right? You can charge 200 amounts or 300 amounts or the 500 amounts once times. The best way that I've been able to actually price this out is you wanted to charge 250 amounts to actually build this out, right? You can tell them that is generally takes you now 2 or 3 months to actually get the businesses ranked on the Google, and you can charge the 250 a month to do that. You can also charge just one time 500 fee. Generally what I like to do is to give them the choice. We can either do this $250 a month recurring, or I will do this for you just for one time 500 fee. And now the cool part about this guy is if you are talking to yourself, but Podric, I don't know how to actually do the sale, I don't know how to rank this stuff, I don't know how to do all the citations and link buildings and reviews and all the different things. Well, the cool things about that is you can actually do what's called drop services. Now drop services easily means outsourcing the actual work, somebody who specialized in this, so lives in the cheaper actual cost of the living country, somewhere other ways who can do the work for the very cheap, and you can charge significantly more to find the actual customers, just like I showed you how to do with this little email, or calling them to whatever you feel most comfortable actually reaching out there. Remember, you want to reach out to the 100 businesses in the different cities, the around very live, if it makes to feel more comfortable. But if you reach out the 100 people, right, and let's say 20 people respond, 10 people says yes, you claim their businesses for free, or you help them for free, and then 5 of them ultimately end up paying you, right? That's still 250, which is pretty good, and you can definitely do that in a couple of weeks. 2 or 4 weeks being able to do that. It's definitely something that's very dope to the annually accomplish. And so how we are going to actually automate this, I'm going to do the Fiverr, and we are going to the type to rank my Google businesses, right? And what we can see is there's a lot of the different people here. This person literally says I will do the proven local sales strategy to rank your Google my business, right? Which is pretty much exactly perfect for the exactly what we want. And so we are going to do is we are going to actually look for this. We can see that $10 he has something, to the $30 he has something, and $80 he has something as well. What we are going to go do is just then $10 one. Or the cool thing is, right, you don't have to actually buy this until you are already charged somebody 250 or 500 actually to do this. And so if you can outsource the work even for $30 or $80, and you can actually charge 250 or 500, then you are making significantly profit margin, doing basically zero work yourself. Literally all you are doing is going to the finding these businesses, contacting them, building a little bit of the report, and then basically are attributed by the outsourcing the annual work itself, and then charging significantly higher rate to do it, so no actual work yourself. And the cool thing is, once you feel a Fiverr person who really knows what they are doing, right, you can, from relationships with them, you can start actually getting cheaper bank price from the and have even wider profit margins to actually do this. So I think, guys, you get things, you can understand just how actually exciting this is. If you are, comment down below, make money online. If we get 1,000 people who comment how to make money online on this video, then we are going to actually drop a completely brand new crazy video we are never talked about before next week, which is one of the best strategies that I've seen it recent time to actually make money online. But I don't get 1,000 comments, guys. We are not going to actually be able to release that video, so make sure you comment that down below. And really, guys, if you enjoyed this video, I'm working hard to bring this to you. Make sure you like and actually subscribe to turn to the notification bells. It's crazy to like 90 of the people watching this don't subscribe, so you can be that awesome 10 that I really do appreciate. You guys means the world to me. And if I didn't know already, we actually have two other YouTube channels. One of them is 25 podcasts called Rich Podric Experience, and the other called more Rich Podric, where I actually go live every single weeks and teach you how to make money online, brand new strategies, answer your questions live, and so much more. Both of these links are down below in the descriptions, or if you just wanted to keep watching awesome videos now how to make money online, we have the brand new playlist coming you live in the 3, 2, 1 click in the middle of your screen, guys. See you if you click it. Some of the clicks do it, click the playlist. Okay, you don't have to, but I promise you will like to click to the playlist. To see you soon.